Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video with a new topic, that is a land resource. A land resource is a subtopic of this chapter, that is a resource and development. Now, before we start, please do subscribe our channel, comment and like our videos, even share the videos. Now, let's come to the topic now. Land resources. Now, why land is a resource? Human who is living on this earth, they perform number of economic activities, and based on these activities, they grow, they develop. So that's why land is termed as a resource. Not only human, but other life like plants and animals, they have their homeland on this land itself. They grow, they develop on this land. So that's why land is termed as a resource. So let's see here, we live on land. We live on land, we perform our economic activities on land itself, and we use it in a different ways. So we use land in a different ways to perform our economic activities, grow and develop socially, economically, emotionally, culturally. So that's why it is a natural resource and it is playing a very important role in our life. It supports natural vegetation, just now I said that natural vegetation, plants, animals, human, they have their livelihood on this land. So wildlife, human life, economic activities, transport and communication, what we see, we used to take transport and communication system to interact with people who are living in the distant places and do their economic activities. The whole system is functionable only because we are performing our activities on this land, which is a natural resource. So thus, land is an asset of a finite magnitude. Clear? So now we move on to the next part. Here, now land, it is composed of different relief. There are different types of relief which we found there on this land. Plain, mountains, plateaus, hills, valleys, all these are the different relief that is there on this land. And people, they are living on this land and perform different activities based on different relief. The people who are living there in the plain areas, their activities are little different from the people who are living there in the hilly areas. So this, based on the type of relief which is present there on the land, the human activities, they perform different varieties of economic activity and go with their livelihood. So if we perform so many activities on this land, and land is a natural resource, without this resource we cannot imagine a single step to grow, develop. So thus, just imagine that how important, how integral part the land is playing in our life. So thus, land need to be carefully used. For that we need a careful planning. Now, before we start with a careful planning, we need to know that what is the percentage of land. If we talk about India, then it has. So here we see that India has land under variety of relief. Already I said that India is a land with diverse relief. So India has mountains, plateaus, plains, islands. Now what is the percentage of each relief that India has? About 43% of land area is a plain. India is covered with 43% of plain. Now, it provides, now what is the advantage? Just as I said that each relief is used for different economic activities by human. So, the land which comes under plain area, that is the 43%, it is used or facilitated by the human to do agricultural activities, and the setup of different types of industries. Other than that, the mountains, it is also playing a very important role and makes a resourceful to us, and it is composed of 30% of the total surface area of the country. Now, it is important for having a perennial flow of some rivers like Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. All these are the important perennial rivers that have their origin from the Himalayan mountains. Other than that, it provides a facility to grow the tourism. Ecological aspects is also one of the important factor of this particular type of relief. Now, about 27% of the area of the country is a plateau region which is located towards the south of the country, which is known as a peninsular India. So it possesses rich reserves of different types of minerals, fossil fuels, and the forest cover. So there's so many important things we are getting from this type of resource, that is a land resource, and that's why it is termed to be known as the asset of human life on this earth. So we need to conserve this land, use the land in a judicious way, grow and develop. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet in the next video.